The overall aim of the following video is to present an overview of a three-dimensional imaging technique that can yield a 3D velocity field. This is achieved by using calibrated cameras to gather the images required to sample the light field. As a second step, the light field is reparameterized, which produces a focal stack of images that form a 3D representation of the flow field. Next, the focal stack is post-processed using a cross-correlation algorithm to obtain the 3D velocity field vectors. The results show a time-resolved 3D flow field in the wake of a vibrating synthetic focal fold model used as a test bed. Results are also shown for the technique applied to a bubble field.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods is that we can measure in volumes that contain more particles, bubbles, or droplets.
This method can provide insight into fluid flows and be extended to other applications, such as measurement of the shape of a flame and the role velocity plays in combustion, and even to measurement of collective behavior of animal groups such as bird flocks. Generally, individuals new to this technique will struggle because the amount of data can become overwhelming, but we think we've developed a cookbook for using this method.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical because the camera and calibration setups are quite a bit different than when using a single camera approach. We'll be performing these experiments in Dr. Scott Thomson's BYU Biofluids Lab with the help of his graduate student, Jesse Daly.
The first step is to determine the size of the measurement volume as well as the temporal and spatial resolution required for investigating the fluid flow experience.